Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing good, and if you are new here, you are welcome to my channel. Today is eating day again, and to my sustaining subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate all of you. You can see here today I'm having peanut and palm nut soup with rice ball. This is my food for today, and so today we are going to make justice to this food. So if you are new here, please subscribe and enjoy with me. Thank you guys. Let's start by praying. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Provide for them who don't have, and we will all enjoy it together. Thank you, and I'm going to start. You can see it here. It smells wonderful. It's very nice, and my rice ball is also soft. I haven't had this food for a long time. The soup, I mean. This is delicious. Wow. And for the soup, the recipe will be out soon. It's very easy to make. You can use any meat of your choice and you will enjoy it. This is nice. I used cow meat with the intestine and also cow foot, and I have in there some dry fish and mushrooms. And I also have in there smoked turkey. This is nice. And the process is very easy. You need some tomatoes, ginger, garlic, onion. In this soup, there is no artificial seasoning in here. I only use garlic, ginger, onion and pepper and salt for this soup. And I also added some basil leaves. It gives it a nice taste. This is nice. It's really good. In my rice ball, I have it with a kanzo, so you can be chewing. It's very nice. This is my mushrooms here. This is nice. And to continue with the recipe, just season your meat with any season you want. but you can try just ginger, garlic and onion and you will enjoy it. It's very nice. And just add salt. Pardon me, this is too good. And it's hot. And this is my cow foot, nicely cooked. I also cooked some onions and fresh tomatoes separately, and then I blended it with the peanut butter. So when my meat was seasoned, I added the blended tomato, onion and the peanut butter in, and then afterward my palm nut cream also came in. And the pepper is there. And with this soup you can have it with fufu, you can have it with banku, you can even have it with normal rice, plain rice. And I can feel the ginger very well in because I added enough ginger. And this food you can have it for lunch or for dinner. Thank you guys. This is too good. And my cow meat is well cooked, very juicy. Just look at it. Thank you so much for keeping up with me today. I believe this will give you appetite to cook yours and you are going to enjoy it. And with the recipe for the soup, you'll find it on my channel very soon. So thank you so much. If you are new here, please subscribe and you will enjoy my cooking. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm going to enjoy the rest very well. So bye bye.